What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of Tom Fishery.
All right, so it is Fishing Friday, as you all know. Me and Steve haven't been out in a while, and I got Steve on boat with me. So we hit the Petaluma River today, and it's supposed to be windy as hell by noon. So we're just gonna get out, get as much fishing as we can before we get knocked off the river. Other than that, yeah, let's do this. What I forgot to say was, we are just gonna troll. I did grab some pile worms, but basically we're just gonna troll for now. Because like I said, it's supposed to get windy as hell today, so we're just gonna troll and hopefully we can hook up. So right now we're pulling out of the Petaluma Marina and we're at 3 miles an hour, which is probably what we're gonna be at for a while because the tide. Hey duckies, hey duckies. But right now, I think we're at high tide. So tide will be going out, which means we'll probably be getting pushed. But the wind is also been pushing us too because the wind's coming out of the west. So we'll find out. Let's go.
Told you we're getting the juice.
Yep, that's fish on, baby. Fish on. Did I lose him? Nope, he's there. He is there. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. All right. Howdy, fucker. Not a bad fish. That works for us. All right. Make sure I got him on film. Yes, we got him on film. But yeah, that's not a bad fish. Fish on the boat, so we're good. Time to go home. Steve,
We were getting into the juice.
Steve didn't like that one. He's like, oh hell no, we're not. Fish on.
Going and I'll keep us. We'll get another. Baby.
Yep. Same size as the last one. You on?
No.
Oh, you hooked up with something. Dude, chill the fuck out. Yeah. Number 2. All right, so me and Steve got a little tired of trolling. Started working our way back in, decided to anchor up here at the mouth of the old Petaluma River. We anchored up on the outside out here, but the wind is just horrendous. So we're sitting on the inside of the mouth of the old Petaluma River, up on the shoreline here. You can probably see it. Steve's off on that way, and I'm just straight out behind my boat. But yeah, the wind was just too much for the anchor. The anchor let loose and just, I mean, it was just like a race car. So that's what we're doing right now. We're anchored up, dropping bait. Fish on for Steve. Let's push us to the shore. Throw me out of the boat. What in the hell is this thing? Oh, it looked like something else. Three for me, two for Steve, so we're good. Fish on.
I saw it hit it.
so we're gonna go ahead and limp it on into marina, shut her down and go home. You all have a great weekend.
Hit that like and subscribe button or else.
That's it?
Yeah.